Now we supposed to pursue people coming from our country, not be South Africans. Now we supposed to pursue people coming from our country, not be South Africans, because the nonsense where they go on for this country too high.
Guys, that's all this video. South African, their grant interview on what's going on in their country regarding this Nigerian must go and all that. Let's listen to what he has to say, and I'll read some comments as well.
Those who are here legally respect us as South Africans, respect our laws, respect our conventions and our traditions, as you would want us to respect the laws and traditions of your own country. As a nation that defeated colonialism and apartheid through international solidarity, we carry a responsibility to advance constitutional values beyond our borders. So we then therefore say, yes, let us allow our laws to take their course. We have already set in place the way in which we will be able to deal with those who are in our country illegally. We remain committed to multilateralism, to respect for international law and principled diplomacy. International law was born from the devastation of global conflict. It is a shield for all countries in the world, regardless of their size or influence. True multilateralism demands respect for diversity while remaining firm in the core principles of sovereignty, of human rights, of freedom, of accountability, and peaceful coexistence.
Okay. Some they respect their laws, and they go the way that they respect. My dear, let me read some comments for you guys. This person said, "Someone please answer me this question. What people they find for South Africa?" Now you go answer that question. Me, I don't know. For they go out for greener pasture now. If Nigerian they good, you still say anybody go leave house. Nobody go leave them if Nigeria they good. Now because you dead there, you don't know whether you they fight hunger, you don't know whether you they fight insecurity, you don't know what way you they fight. Like every day when you wake up, now by the grace of God. So why they not go carry us they do this country for other country? It's so annoying. This person said, Nigerians in South Africa, please come home for your safety, even if you are there legally. Okay, so if you're legally there, come back home. Because person where there's a guy I saw his video, the guy get all his papers and see they tell them saying get in papers. They don't see mental when one go. It's just so annoying watching those videos, honestly. And this person said a whole lot of nothing was said. And this one said, you can tell he's enabling them in a suitable manner. You see, he's enabling them in a suitable manner. This person said, I thought said the man is in support. And this one said, I told someone this morning that the government knows about it. They know. So yeah, those are the comments I saw there, and I decided to read it for you guys. May God help us. May God help us. Because if Nigeria did good, I'm not sure anybody go and come out. But what's what they go do now? I just thought I wanted to share. Let me know your own thoughts in the comment section. And guess what? We move.
Now we supposed to pursue people coming from our country, not be South Africans, because the nonsense where they go on for this country too high. And you go see terrorists come up from another country, come up from Niger Republic. See the way they open our border. People come up from their country, come Nigeria, no identification, no paper. They don't get any travel document. They don't document them. We get a country where we say people just troop in anyhow. So far I said they be Muslim. So far I said that we speak Hausa. Hausa people open their border in a very crazy manner. How many people they follow other border enter Nigeria come cause havoc? We share boundary with Benin Republic. How many times we bandit come out from Benin Republic come Nigeria come kidnap person? How many times people come out from Benin Republic enter Nigeria come do different robbery, different attacks? But Hausa people, una open una border carelessly, and go back to your country is supposed to start from Nigeria as we speak. Because the people waiting for this country, they're not from this country. We don't know them. They go just carry a trailer, load 200 people on top, carry them come dump for people city. These people where they come for our country, so they're not go pay rent, they're not go rent house. Make it even be say they add to the economy of that place where they come. They know they come restaurant, come chop food. Maybe say they even patronize. They know they patronize anybody. They just lie down for roadside. They lie down on top bike. They wait make shop close, make them sleep on top, make them sleep on front of that shop. Now so they use constant for people country. Now we in Nigeria supposed to pursue people, make them they go back to their country. And very soon it go start. Because by concrete evidence, even Borno State governor don't open his stupid mouth to explain for us that the people that are causing this insurgency are not from Nigeria. Should we clap our hand for you? The people that are causing insurgency are not from Nigeria. Should we start dancing? How did they get into this country? We get Nigeria Immigration Service. Very stupid organization. Make them ban all of them because they know they do anything. Nobody they check anybody passport. Nobody they check anybody NIN. Any idiot from anywhere in this world will come into Nigeria. When I say on the immigration, that Tinubu go come stand for border. That Tinubu go come make sure say people not trooping into the country. Abi Nigeria customs, all the security parastatals, none of them they check the validity of citizens of Nigeria. I bet you anybody can stay in Nigeria. When I know this say we supposed begin to tell people say maybe they go back to their country. You never reach where we go tell Nigeria Republic people maybe they go back to their country. Person go just appear for Imo State from nowhere. All of a sudden, he speak English for himself. He say, Baturechi, who are you? Where are you from? Why are you here? What for? Anybody can troop into our society. South African people, they say the foreigners they fuck their women. Now they are paying me that too. They say Nigerian men will come South Africa, they fuck their women past there. Now that one I pay there. But our own, what did the foreigners will come our country do? If they say they fuck our women, say make them no kill us. If they say make them fuck all the women, make them no kidnap people enter inside bush. If better say the foreigners will come this country, now only women they come fuck. They nothing for our mineral resources. How many Nigerians will go China, go mine mineral resources illegally? That is, we stay for our own country. Person enter inside our country, enter inside our forest, get mine, carry shovel, dig the ground, carry treasure away the bury for our country. By nature, we don't complain. Oh, now that one, that's all we want you to do Africanism. That's all we want you to do black to black. Turn the fire black to black. Make everybody go back to the country. Except you are well documented. Nigerians, no, we never get immigrants for this country. So all of us are immigrants. Nobody get document. Foreigners, now trailer that they enter, as they, all those people where they on top trailer, where are they coming from? Where is their country? The moment we wake up to this, the earlier we wake up to this, the better for us. So the earlier we wake up to demand identification of everybody present in this country. And if you are not from Nigeria, you go back. Because you don't get anything away for it now. We know what you do for this country. You know, essentially, them no one do. Our country today for us. That one, Tinubu go serve. Immigration service, what you know really they work. And if you don't get work, make they dissolve them. Because you don't get any agency for this country where they check the identity of people where they trooping into our country. And it's very, very painful. See what in South Africa they do. Nigerians, this is time to wake up. Oh. We don't get too home. Even though these politicians where they destroy Nigeria, so they just say they go survive them at the end of the day, but they don't go survive them. Go Afghanistan, go Pakistan. At the end of the day, whether you feel say that your money where you get, if you carry you wrong, go stay for foreign land, no problem. Oh. But we're already at war. And if you need somebody to just come out and declare for you that we are at war before you know we are at war, you are a fool. How are we not at war? People are dying in numbers. You don't get any number of people where you need may they die before you realize say we dey at war. We never die. And if you want more people to die before you agree say Nigeria dey at war, now you go die. Now you wait till they look for more reasons before you believe say war dey. Now you go be the victim of that war because anything was supposed to happen during war don't happen for this country. At this, you know. Anything, I bet you, anything was supposed to happen for Nigeria before you go no say Nigeria dey at war don't happen. I bet you, but you still no one believe say we dey at war. They don't kill general, they don't kill colonel, no rank where they never kill for this country in the name of the war. But you still they see say peace day. There is no peace. So this is a time for Nigerians to wake up. South Africa, they don't say make people come up for their country. Make Nigerians say tell people where we say they know they wake up for this country, make they come up for Nigeria. Because you know because they drive people inside trailer come full our society. We don't know where you carry them from. We don't know who are they. They are not well documented. Undocumented immigrants are shocking us up in Nigeria. It's not tolerable. Share this video. A time is coming where we not go to differentiate between Nigerians and immigrants because they are not documented. Even for South Africa, people where they appropriately documented, now in that they tell me they leave their country. So, we will be Nigerians yourself. Can we even identify who is a Nigerian and who is not a Nigerian? Everybody get an eye. Everybody get an eye. Everybody, our system is very, very porous. Day by day, we dey get more citizens. Now we supposed to tell people make they go their country. We have enough resources to sustain ourselves. Enough. But as a foolish country, we just be like fisherman, we get fresh fish, where they export fresh fish, then use the money, go look for smoked fish to buy. That is the kind of economy we are running in this country. Crazy man economy. Economy governed by Tinubu and Akpabio. Dull brains.
Go home. You heard me well. Go home. Go home. pack your bags and go. We don't need you here. We don't need you, okay? Go home. Coming from same African person. It is heartbreaking. It is sincerely heartbreaking to hear and watch a video of an African person being chased, being attacked, and forced to leave a country that is part of Africa. I watched a video of a lady asking an Ghanaian man to leave South Africa to go back home to go and fix his country. I don't even blame that lady. I have 100% understanding of what that lady actually mean. Because tell me one good reason as a Nigerian, I will leave my country if my country leaders are actually functioning properly. There are good, well-paid job opportunities. There are good quality healthcare services in my country. I will leave Nigeria and go to South Africa. To do what? Mind you, I don't even have any business. I have never in my mind had South Africa as a plan. I've never planned to go there. So whatever thing I'm saying here now is based on what I've been watching in so many videos. Because I keep asking myself the same question. Why is your anger directed to black foreigners? Because it is more confusing. It's even more confusing because South Africa is a home. It's still a home for white foreigners. Because tell me why you will have white foreigners in your place, in your home, and you say that the foreigners are the ones that are responsible for crime, that are responsible for drug trafficking, that are responsible for immoral behaviors in your country. But you don't have the guts. You don't have the audacity. Yes, that lady, Jacinta, because it takes an illiterate and lazy person to just have that mindset that is the black foreigners that are only responsible for these crimes that you guys are listing in all these videos. Why don't you have the audacity? Why don't you have the guts to go and meet these white foreigners and tell them that they should pack their bags and go? They should get their belongings and go back to their place. Why don't you have the audacity? But you have the audacity to go to your same African brother, African sister. You have the audacity to meet them because you know they are vulnerable. You know that even if you do anything, nothing will happen. Even if you shake the table, it will not happen. But you said it's the foreigners. That is the foreigners that are bringing all these crimes to your country. Why don't you chase the whites? Tell me a country that white people dominate 65% of their land, and tell the landowners that they don't want to associate with them and they don't want you people to associate with them also. Tell me a country that has 50 or 60% white dominance that say that they don't want to associate with you people. It is happening in South Africa, in case you don't know. So this hatred, because I will not say it's love. This is hatred. There are so many ways to, even if you don't want them in your country anymore, there are so many ways to meet somebody. You don't have to humiliate. You don't need to insult. You don't need to make someone up. You don't need to destroy anything. You don't need to destroy their belongings. All you just have to do is meet them, give them a quick notice, and tell them that you don't want them in your country any longer. And let us not forget history. Remember, South Africa, remember. Let us not forget that there was a time during the apartheid era when many African countries came together to fight and support for your freedom. South Africa, for your freedom. And coming to also know that Nigeria donated millions of dollars so that you can have this freedom that you have. And you are here saying, go home, go home, go home. If my own brother can actually tell me to go home, why can't you tell a white foreigner to also go home? Why? Because at the end of the day, the question is still the same thing. Is this what our ancestors fought for? Nelson Mandela will be crying in his grave because he knows that this is not what he fought for. Because I know, even if I'm not, even if I've never met Nelson Mandela, one thing for sure is that he's not happy. He will not be happy that African citizens are actually doing. At the end of the day, we still need to ask ourselves, are we actually building together as one Africa, or we are just tearing each other up? I don't have anything to say much. I'm just here to come and lay this complaint because it is heartbreaking. It is really, really heartbreaking to watch this. To see an African person go to another African place, African country, and eventually you are found in the hospital. You went there to get a health service, and somebody tell you, if you're not a South African, get up and go home. Get up and go home. And imagine I actually go I go to my business place or I go to my workplace. Somebody will just come and spoil my workplace, spoil my shop, scatter my provisions. Because what? I am not a South African. Don't that go fire all over.
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́, kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀, àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà, tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ pé ó dọ́jà ni. èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí, fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. èmi náà kọ́, Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.